Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about 30, 60, 90K services, level 1s, level 2s, ABC services, whatever the manufacturer of your vehicle recommends for the vehicle. Today, multiples of these services have become a lot more simpler than they used to be in the older days. But what we strongly recommend is that you follow your manufacturer's recommendations when it comes to doing these services. And doing so will keep your vehicle in a great quality state and be dependable. It's also very important that the components put on your vehicle are of quality when doing these services. So we laid out some items here that often get replaced. Air filters. You might say an air filter is a pretty simple thing, but the quality of the air filter makes a determination on how well it filters and keeping contaminants out of your motor that over long periods of time can cause damage. Same things with fuel filters that are often recommended in these services. The quality of them is important. It removes contaminants when you have a quality filter. Replacing spark plugs, spark plug coil boots, and timing belts can prevent expensive damage down the road that could cost you a lot more money if not done when required. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.